One of its annual activities is donation of valuable items to health facilities across the country, like in the Kanifing municipality and Banjul. Trust Bank officials stretched their hands to the Essau District Hospital. The donated items included life-saving medications, detergents and other valuable materials expected to improve healthcare service delivery at the facility. Speaking at the handing over ceremony, Mamadou Gassama, Principal Nursing Officer at the facility, said the donation came at a time when the region is facing drug stock out, adding that over the years the Trust Bank Gambia Ltd has always been a great partner to the Ministry of Health.
It is through Trust Bank that we are able to procure some of these essential drugs and supplies to continue the service. So on that note, this is a very noble gesture, and we hope that this partnership will continue. We are very much grateful to Trust Bank for this important gesture.
The materials, he added, will go a long way in saving many lives. The Essau District Hospital continued to provide healthcare service to Lower and Upper Niamey and even the neighboring Senegal. Njilan Senghor, Managing Director, Trust Bank Gambia Ltd, noted that the bank will continue to plow back to every community in the country by intervening in critical sectors such as healthcare.
Donate almost $2 million this week alone. When we say that giving is central at the core of what Trust Bank does, we mean it. And the reason why we say that is because we're all Gambians, as you can see. We live in these communities. We operate in these communities. And that is why when we were looking for an additional hospital to add this year, Alex and I spoke about it and we said, which hospital do we add? It has to be a hospital in an area where we are. We are receiving support from your communities. We're getting business, and through that business, we're growing, we're making profits. We are Gambians like you. It does not tell well that we are living in our comfort zones and drawing money out of your communities, and then we are just sharing it out to shareholders and we don't care about what is happening. That is not what we are about. We are about sharing because we care. You will see us in the news not only doing for health centers.
She cited some of the interventions undertaken by the bank geared towards complementing the efforts of the Gambia government. The bank, she went on, donated $1 million to government in support of disaster victims across the country.
A couple of years ago, there was a flood that affected a lot of Gambians. We were the one and only bank that came out and immediately donated an amount of $1 million to the government. So this is not just a gimmick. We are not just doing this for marketing. We are doing this because we care. And what is most important to us, that when we go and do these donations, we get to hear from the hospital authorities about what their challenges are. Sometimes we even go around and see exactly what is on the ground.
Langjai, the alcalde of Essau, who also represented the district chief, described Trust Bank as the true spirit of Gambia. He used the platform to thank the Trust Bank management whilst calling on the hospital staff to make best use of the donated items. Reporting for the news, I am Famara Kani.